Well, it started out in the planning stages in 2008. Now historic Booker High School in North Sarasota has officially been rebuilt into a modern campus. SNN local news reporter Grant Boxleitner was there today as the school celebrated a really big accomplishment.
School district officials joined community leaders and guests to officially celebrate the completed rebuild of Booker High School. Sarasota County Commissioner Carolyn Mason attended the school.
The VPA, the Law Academy, just lots of offerings for the students. So I think that our students who attend this school are going to be well prepared for the future.
Booker's upgrade features 11 buildings, 80 classrooms with state-of-the-art technology, and a large courtyard in the heart of campus.
We can help prepare our students to not only become productive members of our society, but to be career and college ready. And we have some phenomenal career labs that are assisting in preparing our students for that transition, and we're very, very excited and grateful.
The $58 million rebuild began in 2010 and came together in phases, all while students and staff shared the property with construction crews.
They sacrificed comfort for a while we were building, but I think today just culminates the reward that comes together. Watching the students use the facility, enjoy the facility.
Class of 2014 students Eduardo Ortiz and Cindy Ellen watched the campus transform year by year.
It's really excellent to see all this technology that we have that's given to us and having the opportunity to being a part of this and seeing it transform from the old to the new.
The class of 2014 is the only one that's gotten to, be in the original Booker campus and then now get to be in this campus as well.
Reporting in Sarasota, Grant Boxleitner, SNN Local News.